How do you set exposure and focus in your Android phone? Let me show you exactly how it works. And if this is your first time here on this channel, consider subscribing as I have so many tutorials coming up and I don't want you to miss them. So of course, you might be using the built-in camera app as usual, right? No problem there. And you get inside like so. And in order to change the exposure and focus, select the subject which it's supposed to focus and adjust the exposure off. So you can click on, for example, some object like that, and you can see that the focus has been adjusted to that thing. And you can also just slide right or left to change the exposure, right? So you have this little sun icon and you have the ability to control it and slide it horizontally to change the exposure. But of course, in order to lock it in place, you have to hold down on it so it actually turns from white to yellow, and now it's going to actually stay that way. Even if you move to a different scene or introduce some different subjects into the frame, then it's still going to keep the original exposure and focus because you switch to this like manual focus and exposure mode. So this is how you're going to do it inside of the built-in or regular camera mode. But I know a lot of people who are probably not going to be like too happy with this solution. And in that case, it's actually a bit better to switch to a different mode for the camera. So when I click on more, I have the ability to switch to the Pro video. So it's like a professional mode for capturing videos. And in there, I basically control everything manually, right? So the focus is manually selected. I don't have to tap on any subjects or anything. And yeah, I can also tap on the auto exposure and lock it in some place. And also I can just change it manually, right? I can literally just change the ISO and the shutter speed, all of which can change the brightness or exposure of the shot. So yeah, it's much more professional in this mode. So let me know if you found what you needed. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for this type of quick tutorials and videos like this one. And I'll talk to you in the upcoming videos as well.